it is time to do the first spread, the first weekly spread of 2024. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be using the New Year's journaling kit and journaling add-ons from xomamaplans. I really thought this would be a fun one to use for this week as we are going about all those New Year's vibes. And here's the best part about this week. I still have the whole week off. I don't go back to school until Monday the 8th. So that's fabulous. Let's go ahead. We're going to use these guys. Now, I probably won't use up all these stickers. So this was the original kit, and then I got the add-on. Some of these I'll probably actually use in my journaling book. That's something I'm hoping to get better at as I... Actually, do I want to do that and maybe do some of these washi strips at the top? Oh, that might be fun. I think we're gonna try it. I think we'll do. Let's do it. We're committing. We have committed. I want to take, like, when I'm done using stickers, I want to make sure I take whatever leftovers I have down. Excuse me, down to where I typically write in my planner. That way, if I want to add some, I can. If I don't, I don't. It's not the end of the world. We are back to Monday starts to the week, which will be super fun. Kind of glad to be back to normal, although I did like being able to really do lots of things with Christmas stickers. All right, let's see if this is gonna work, because as always, I didn't bring undo with me. Why would I do that? Why? All right, I like this one and this one, but I think these two go really well together. So let's start with these. Oh, goodness. The reindeer games have begun. By the way, when the dogs play, we've called it reindeer games forever. So don't think just because, oh, Christmas is over. No, it's still reindeer games. It's always reindeer games. And then do I have like a little, I have like a little swatch there. Should probably bring this a little closer to you. I do have a flag. I'm trying to see where else we have this kind of deal to cover up Sunday. I guess what we could do, whiteout. I do. I have whiteout downstairs too. I really need to start bringing some of that stuff up here for when I need it. Oh well, that happens, right? I think what I want to do, if it'll let me, can I put that there? Oh my goodness. Ferocious. Oh, you're not gonna let me. Well, hang on, maybe that's enough. Maybe that's enough. So close. Do I go get the undo? All right, I did what I said I was going to do. We got the undo. Let's see if we can make this work. Now, if you don't know what undo is, it's from Amazon, and it helps you remove a sticker, but then you can place it back down. Do not think it was originally intended for planners, but it just happens to work out pretty well. I also use it, the reason why it hasn't been up here, I use it for my pink zebra, like anything where I need to get sticky off of a product or anything like that. So we'll let that rest a moment, and then I'm gonna take this guy. Do I want to, hang on. I would like to go there. And then I know there's like a little bit of a added piece there, so maybe we just add him there. And then Sunday can go back down. Sweet, sweet. Undo. Undo for the win. I also, apparently I'm very froggy today. It's probably because it has like nonstop rained the last 24 hours. We just went for a walkie, the dogs and I was shocked because usually they want nothing to do with a walk if it's raining, but it had rained so much yesterday we didn't get one, and it was a light enough rain that they're like, we'll do it. And you could tell they were so happy, but when we got home they were like, I am wet, dry me off, where's the towels? These are leftover date dots I have from Simply Sweetly Crafty. It was part of the Christmas vacation kit. And I was like, well, I have them. I'm going to use them up. Oh, they're so silly. They're so silly. I really want to use the garland here. I put you in this area. That's what I want to do. Maybe I put a little, let's white out this week. What if we did from like here to there? Can we fit the Happy New Year up there? We might have to trim a little bit of this one, which is okay. Oh, that came out cute. Yep, that was it. That's the stuff. I do have actually quite a few things planned for the week, although we are going to put the couch here because we are planning just a pajama day, like nothing important happening on Monday. I think I'll put the clock down here. It's really cute. All right, now let's get to some boxes because I do have to do a doctor's appointment on Tuesday. It's kind of in the middle of the day. And then I have a friend visiting from out of town on Wednesday, and she'll be leaving Thursday. So let's use this guy here. And then Thursday night, there's this box here. We want to go to B-Dubs and take in a Blackhawks game, even though they're doing horribly. It's just something we like to do over break when we have time. I think we'll use this one here because it is my mother-in-law's birthday here. And then we'll add, let's see, which box. I think I'll use the more plain box. We're going to have dinner with her on Friday. We'll also add there was like the cakes. And that'll be fun. Do that right there. Such a cute little kit. All right, and then I think that might... Is that all of the important things for next week? Look at the monthly, Holly. All right. Yeah, that's the important things for next week. So now we get to do some more deco. I usually do a to-do list here. Do I have... Oh, I could use the little dots, little polka dots. Let's put... that here for chores, because chores will happen. These are fun. Super duper fun. And then let's do maybe some washi over here. And I'm trying to think, is there anything else I really need to do? Well, I don't think so. I don't have any quotes to go there or anything like that. So I guess we'll just add a few little extra deco pieces and call it good, my friends. Maybe right here. I think right there. There's that. And I will say we do have a plan for little Miss Jules. Now when you see this, I believe it's going to be going up on the 1st. So hopefully our plan for Jules and her fireworks scares has worked out. I guess I'll tell you later on. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I will catch you all in the next one.